A wonderful people, no be smarty, no. We are fully welcome back as we just go short break. Oh, say me we rest more. Now they tell us say no, make we no rest. A lot of kata don dey happen for inside the country. Now we go say, hey, this one don red. Now I run come back immediately. Say me I come look wetin dey happen. Oh, they say that the Nigeria police as it stand right now, they correct the bribe, the proud pull for the matter. It don red. We go show una the video. As it stand right now, they say that the witness wey DSS bring come no even know anything concerning the case where they go on. Nigeria is funny. My people, as it stand right now, this pastor, archbishop or pastor, he don't come outside to come blast so many Igbos where they serve the Funanis to sell their own people. My people, he don't finally read. Now go play the video, make you watch and see how the story they happen one by one. Stay tuned.
CMI is illegal. It's illegal.
You can make one.
I'm not making any call. What do you want us to do so we can leave here? Because we're going far. I don't have time to. Sorry?
5 liters of fuel.
What's 5 liters of fuel? What is that? There's no filling station here.
Go and buy it.
So what does it translate to?
Don't go down.
How much is 5 liters of fuel? That's what I'm asking you.
That's 5K.
So you want 5K from, you want 5K from each of the cars here?
Like, you know yours.
They will not do anything.
I will be this.
You want 5K from each of us, Abi?
Okay, go and give out Tinubu.
We are together.
Let's do Tinubu.
What about the other person? What about the other person?
He's coming.
My grandmama will go back.
Now I'm paying 3K. Give it to him. Let us leave here. Go get 3K for him. How far? Where the 3K? You count them. Whose one are you holding again?
This man,
Yeah.
He's told I said you should go and pay 5,000. He said no, you pay 2,000.
Please now, you said listen to me. I don't listen to you. I don't talk to you.
After we
Instead I hold the money, I would have given you right away.
you guys go your own.
We are.
I got lawyer, I get lawyer. We start with you one start. You did harass my brother for waiting after making this. I'm recording you, sir. I have the right to record. Public transport, too. Public transport, why? Where would they go now? I know they fear these ones, though. Carry your bag and they record. Who be this one? Say you know my papa Bini. You won't stop me for public motor. What can I do? Where is it? Now police, they follow talk like that. What did I say wrong, sir? I'm in public transport. You just come and tell and say make you search in bag. Do you have any rights? I don't know my laws.
Let me get down, my police got down. If you arrest me with
no, while madam, I dey record. Nothing go stop. Nothing go stop. I dey record.
I don't fear. What should I do?
No fear.
When my papa even know say I not even pass my boundary, everybody go collect for this station. Tell me to make a car station. I keep your money.
The ring where the car is. I mean, say they record. I have a right, sir. Yeah, come. Let's go. Let's go office. Now me, they record. Come here. Come inside. How far? Take the phone. As per what? 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 This is not police.
This na the matter where they happen within the Nigeria police and the Nigerian citizens. Remember, now for inside Nigeria, this one they happen, no be for inside Biafra. Now let us jump inside the another Ogbonge news put there for our table. Go here with this reverend, tell the Igbo leaders where they serve Funani. Stay tuned.
Ndi ibela na emepe eje na APC ha kwebe nkwa ndị Fulani kwebe nkwa ha zoba pancha futacha mo mai Ebonyi State Loja Sokorocha ngige futa noketa gbakwa ọsọ Ayọade nke Cross River Amaechi Rivers Ogbonnonu Ebonyi State pancha futacha hawa pancha nine nana Peter Obi ba na LP onye Igbo a na-atụzi anya ka ndị Igbo niile sokọrịa nọ ibe ka anyị na-azọbụ Chukwu were enye anyị gịnị mee onye ọ na-akụni ọkụ ndị niile ekwensu ji arụ ọrụ n'ala Igbo kụni ọkụ ndị niile bụ useful idiot kụni ọkụ ekwelu mmadụ kụnie o tegwo na ọ na-eje sineti na-agbara ndị Fulani odi ojechi ojebekwa onwe na-aka ọlụzi ọ bụ sineti ka ọ na-arụ ya eso nwe ike nke Rivers bịa ebe a gụkọrọ ndị Igbo niile n'aka ya ka o bidogodi ka ọ dị shọ na Peter apụta ma ncha ma esele n'oge ọga golu gọvanọ ikpeazụ golu gọvanọ gburugburu na Ifeanyị Ogwu anya n'Enugu wee sị ka atụgharịa vootu ya ghọrọ prezident na onye Igbo ekwesịghị iche Chineke si emechagwo ihe anọ n'ọgba aghara ewee tụcha vootu a ine anya hụ na ọ nọ n'ọgba aghara ruo taa aka Chukwu do n'ife na-eme nene gọvanọ Soludo ka anyị tụrụ vootu anyị ama na nke anwa bụ ndị Awụsa mụrụ ya gịnị were mee ọsọ ọnụ si Peter na Peter ma win election gọvanọ Anambra steeti na Peter Obi ma win election Atiku bịa ebe a ọsị Atiku na ọsọ presidential candidate na Bọka Enwelu Tinubu na nyanwa na Peter eso o jekwa ka ọ na Flag Road na Ebenebe kwa na Peter ma win election gọvanọ and ibe ọ na-akọwa ka anyị tụsịrị ya vote Soludo na ndị kọmishọn ya na-akọ na Buhari mere ha ji win election na ọ anyị tụrụ ha vote na Buhari mere ha ji win election gọvanọ Anambra steeti na March anyị atụ vote banyere ndị House onye ọbụla nọ na-apụga ọsị ya vụrụ ọkụkụ n'isi na ọ bụ n'akụkụ ọsị anya kwọrọ ọkụkụ n'azụ imekịtakwa na atụala onye apụga vote ibugwo na ndị akpọrọ anyị asị and onye ọbụla ihuru foto Soludo na post ya atụkwanara ya vote ime yi ma na ịkpọrọ ogwo gas.
My people, no be smart, una don hear am. So many Igbo leaders are serving Funanis. Na boy to Funani. This one are the fact. That's why Ali Igbo is balarara today. Abeg go make we jump inside another one. No, go hear the one where they happen now. As it dey happen, stay tuned.
What are the names of police stations born in Ebonyi State and Enugu, as you said? The witness said, I don't know. That is to say that there is nothing like police station bond through the allegation you are laying on a Kano. Now, the defense team continued to ask him, are you aware that General T.Y. Danjuma was told Nigerians to defend themselves? The witness says, I am aware, but can't recall his exact words. The defense team asked him, are you aware that DSS DG Adeola Ajayi said same in Azara community after they fought back against Boko Haram? The witness said, I am not aware. Now, the defense says, is it not the same principle Nnamdi Kanu echoed, that if someone wants to kill you, defend yourself? The defense says, the witness, said, I'm not aware, but I believe his broadcast was not self-defense. Now, the defense team have to ask for adjournment because they want to play the DSS video tomorrow. They want to play T.Y. Danjuma's video tomorrow. And they want to ask the witness what is different between what Nnamdi Kanu said and what T.Y. Danjuma and DSS Director Yoga, what Yoga said, that people should carry gun and fight back Boko Haram. What is the difference of what Yoga said and the difference between what Nnamdi Kanu said? Can you differentiate them? And we are waiting to see then coming to play the video.
Yes, my wonderful people, we don't talk many times. Nigeria has no case with the Biafrans and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Only case where they have, where they pay the damages, where they don't cause the Biafra people. They say no. I beg you, can share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as you dey hot.